To avoid future payment blocks on your Shopify store, it's essential to follow best practices that ensure compliance with payment processor guidelines. Here is a straightforward guide to help you maintain a smooth payment process. Step 1. Maintain accurate business information. Ensure that your business information, including your name, address, and contact details, is accurate and consistent across all platforms. This helps build trust with payment processors. Step 2. Monitor transaction patterns. Keep an eye on your sales patterns and transaction volumes. Sudden spikes or unusual activity can trigger payment blocks, so it's important to maintain a steady flow of transactions. Step 3. Use trusted payment gateways. Select reputable and well-known payment gateways that have a good track record. This can reduce the likelihood of payment issues and blocks. Step 4. Communicate with customers. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Stay updated with policies. Regularly review and stay informed about the policies of your payment processors in Shopify. Changes in terms or requirements can affect your account status, so being proactive is key. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the chances of facing payment blocks on your Shopify store. Consistency and communication are vital for maintaining a healthy payment process.